Hey everybody, it's Mr. Sauer. Welcome back to the subscribers. Welcome anybody new tuning in. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing on a Spider Farmer 16-inch bud leaf trimming machine. I just got it the other day, so I was just wanting to do the unboxing on it here. Show you what to expect if you purchase one. As you can see, Amazon brought me mine. Big old box. Okay, so now that I got the box in the box, alright, so let's get this one open. Special boxes for them. Okay, so what to expect? There should be different sets of blades in here. Should be one should be the wets and one should be for dry. I believe those are it right there, I'm guessing, as I get more into it here. We got some little trimmers, a screwdriver, a socket, some the owner's manual. Okay, so it looks like it's packed really well. Okay, so there we actually have the top part of it. Looks like a little bit of assembly is required, but that's not that big of a deal. I want to thank everybody for liking and subscribing. They also send a pair of little Spider Farmer trimmers. Those always can come in handy. The handle for the top of the bowl. And then the actual bowl itself. And the bowl also has some rubber feet on it. So I guess while you are working it, that'll keep it more stable. And a little pair of gloves. I am not seeing nothing else in here. So, there. And I'm gonna, the way this works, obviously, you would put your product inside the dome here, which I have not figured out how to get that open yet. And then the blades on it. As you turn the handle and crank it, the rubber fingers push down and roll the buds along the screen inside there. And as your blades are turning, it will trim off the leaves as they stick through it. But, like I said, I have to do some quick research here. Let's see how it comes together. The user manual is one page that fits together, so it basically just covers all the accessories, what's in the package. And it says this needs to be aligned, but I believe that's where this comes into play. So I do believe there's some light assembly required, but that is does not look like it will be that much of an issue. Okay, so the handle looks like it just goes in there by a basic socket. I'm not 100% sure where the screw goes yet, but I'm just trying to give you. Oh, okay, so I see what I'm doing. The bottom blades have covers on them. So now the blade is actually sharp. There we go. So the blade spins about 3 or 4 times as fast as the rubber fingers are pushing down on it and rolling the buds as it goes around, thus trimming them. So I believe these are the wet blades, and then these are the dry. I could be wrong. I'd have to look closer. But all right, so I'm going to figure out a little more on it here and inspect the machine. It looks really, really nice. Super good quality. It's a real pretty machine. I will come back with a video on using it. So again, I want to thank everybody for liking and subscribing on the channel. I really do appreciate all the support. And this was the 16-inch Spider Farmer bud trimming machine. I've seen a couple different names for it, but that's the one we're going to go with right now. So it's the bud trimming machine. So thanks again, everybody. Have a good one, and happy growing.